here, usually you just crouch, your knees aligned with your elbows as much as possible, no space here. Okay? You're more stable when you don't have space here. Okay? Sometimes people just do this. They are ready, kasi guard to siya. Sometimes people can just reverse here and take the close guard, minsan kaysa ending ito. But I will teach that to you sometime. So, usually, ang movement ng ganito is when you control your opponent from here, okay? Usually you grab here or here. Basta as much as possible, this hand can be free. This hand is just grabbing your opponent, or even here, grabbing your opponent so that they don't swing outside. Because when they move, it's dito, papunta ka dito. Pag ganyan. Move your hips going in. Yan, ganun ang movement nila, and then they will just counter and then take the close guard. Okay? So you don't want that. Okay? And the reason why I'm teaching this because there's a very inappropriate video circling around with this position. Okay? Okay? Lagyan lang natin ito ng wig dito. You know what I mean? So anyway, from here, you're just wrapping this part. Here. Grab here. And then this one, usually, either mag-seatbelt ka or here. So this is one position. The other position is, if he's too close here, in this part, sometimes you need to put your knee here inside. And you can grab here. From this position. Okay? So, by merely putting my knee inside, I'm creating a space here. Okay, so I can separate the knee and the elbow. So from here, I put it inside and I grab. Okay, again, I'm putting my weight here so it doesn't go up. The other position is here. You have this position. Okay, he's still in the turtle. I'm still putting this. I'm still switching my position from here, and then I can still grab here. Okay. What I will teach today is mostly here on this part and from the back. Okay? So I will give you options for no gi and gi. Okay? So again, you have this here on this position. Okay? From here, you have this. Put it inside. The other one is to circle around and you have this. Okay? So again, when you are circling around the turtle, I want you to put your chest here on your opponent. Make sure your weight is consistent. Okay, so your partner will help you if your weight is inconsistent. So when you're moving, okay, make sure your position is consistent. It's not, okay? Most, again, here, or you have here. So, most of the guillotines that you know is usually in the front, from here. So, what I taught you, what I mentioned last time, especially for no gi, your guillotine can be here. Okay? So, from your guillotine, you can be here. But, it tends to be slippery. Okay, pagbasa na ang ulo or, it's almost the end of the fight, it's so slippery that it's a lot easier to get out. Okay, so sometimes from here you need to adjust. Put your other hand here, inside. Or here. So if you can see, it's like this. Okay, so sometimes you can just sit this close guard. Okay, why is this more effective? Although this will require more strength, but this is, my opinion, it's a lot better because you have control of the arms. Para sa naka-underhook, and it doesn't slip. Okay, you can kill the time with this. Now, another variation is if you don't want to make your opponent sleep. Sleep, hindi natulas, sleep. Okay? So ayaw patulogin, but you want to target at the trigger. here in this part. So what you will do is this one. So we have something like a push movement. It's like this, where in this part stays here. Okay, adjust na lang kayo para makita nyo. So it's here and this part. So from there, I have this here. In my case, it's usually like this. Although I'm not saying that it's not good to have this grip. It's not good to have this grip, but the best position to have this part on the trachea is here. So this hand movement will pull your hand here, and it's gonna scrape here on this part. So from here, I have this, okay, and this hand will grab here under. Okay, like this, grab here. Now, with that movement, I'm just gonna pull like this and move. It's like a gooseneck, but pull. So from here, okay, I have this. I move forward. I lower my shoulder here, control it so it doesn't stand up. And I have the movement here to the chin, and it goes down. Okay? So it's an easy movement from there. Okay? From this part. Okay? It's like a goose choke. Okay? You can try that. If you can't have that choke from here, I can have my hand here on this part. Okay? On this part. Like this. Okay? Although after this, for sure, the hand will unfriend that. So for here, I have this part and I grab here. I pull this part so wala siyang balance, and this one, I just twist it like a goose again from here. It's like that. Okay, so from here, it's gonna be, it's like pushing the jaw outside from here. So again, my weight, make sure your weight is consistent. I have my right shoulder pushing here down. I have this. So from here, I make sure especially if it's defending his head down, I just like really put this part here, just below the nose. Here on this part. Now I need to grab here and clap my hand. So in order to be aligned, I need to move this a bit and then squeeze. Okay? You have this same position. Okay? So sometimes you will want to grab my feet. I want to avoid that. Okay? He's not just grabbing my feet, but I want to avoid that. Okay? So sometimes I just continue grabbing this, but I move in this position, and then I dip, dropping the hand from here. So it's like a staple from here. Makita ninyo? From this part. I'm just really stapling his foot. Okay? So from here, he has this position. I can stand, or I can even push this forward so I can put my foot here. Okay? So push this, clamp it here. Then from here, that's the time I put my hand here, and then I will just slide down. Okay? So here, I have this, put it inside. So, my hand will always be here. Okay, my hand will always be here. Okay? But, I'm trying to avoid him from defending this hand. Okay? So, my assumption is, the moment I step forward, he will put, or actually, his thinking should always be, like, I need to defend this already, from there. So, sometimes, when I turn, I have this, I immediately grab the hand and put my foot here. Now, from here, I immediately put my other hand and prepare for the choke. So, I lean forward, it's like a slide. I slide forward and then lie down. Then here. Okay? The other variation is if you're having problems with this hand. My knee will go outside instead. So from here, okay, he's already holding this hand. starting to defend. I still have this grip. Okay, now I stand, put my foot inside. This one goes here. Kanina, it's here, dropping this hand. Now here, this is called a short close. From here, and here. Now, I stand. So it's just a slight positioning. If he's already defending my arm from this position, I can still move with the choke, putting my foot inside. Here, he's defending, so I have no time to have that staple already. This foot will just go here instead. So I have this, grab, put my foot here. So here, so you still have this position, okay? You can continue with the grip here, if you like. This grip allows me to push this hand here inside. Okay? So from here, sometimes he's really just pushing his head down. Ang hirap kunin ng choke from here. Because meron talagang gifted. Okay, meron talagang gifted. So hard. Like, hindi ko mapasok. So, I just want to get the back from here. Okay? Again, in transition sa ating kanina, when you're going in circles, you can always do that. But you can have it here. Okay? So, I move here to this part, and then watch my hand. I base, this hand goes here. Then I have it here. Okay? So immediately from here, I move here, I just switch, then I have this. Okay? So, again, once you have that knee inside, it's so easy because there's already space and then you can take the back. So again, from here, you have this, push this down, okay? You can drag your opponent from here to make space, and then just keep pushing this elbow, your shoulder down, here. And then base, my hand, this one, goes here, to drop, and then I have here, and from here, I switch, and you can have the back take from here. The other one is quite nasty. It's like trap off. You're really going to drag your opponent from here. You have this, okay? This will require a big strength, but it's just pulling your your opponent forward. It's like pulling. So from here, you pull him down. Here, then take them out. Right? Good? Any other damage?
Kanang gifted.
Kanang gifted.
Okay, so again, your first option is here. Drag. Dili ka bro, para makita niyo. So you have this. You have this. Okay? From here, drag. Drag here. Now this hand goes here, the trap, and put your knee here inside. Then you can flip and get the back. From here. The other one is just really pulling him down, pulling him to you. From here, this requires more strength, but pull. Okay?
Nag-ano ko dito. Mga paper cutter doon. Mga paper cutter ko dito. And then, once na ma-feel na ako yung neck is, I will step over sa yung ulo. Here, and then drop down. And then,
Bro, what is that?
Okay? So I have this position. It's either I'm putting my belly down or my chest down, but I'm dragging here. Now, I want to put my knee here inside, drag it here, and this one is just putting it here. So I twist, I open. Why do I need to open this? I need more space here for my hands to go inside. So I open it. Okay, but my hand is still here. Now, for Peruvian necktie, you have this.
Oh, hello, Ezekiel.
Ayun, pag may blood. So I have this. this arm goes here inside, and I trap here. Inside. Now, this hand, ikot tayo. So, here, I have this. I open this, I put this inside. Here. Now, I'm still gripping the hand. Here. Now, here, this one. Okay? I put this inside so I can step over my foot. Okay? Step over my foot, and then I lie down, and then I have this. Okay? So, actually, the key difference there sa ginawa ni Coach Joseph kanina is just this. Ang kanya, it's like this. Ito is like this. Now here, sa neck. It's like that. So, yun lang yung difference nun. So, again, movement. Because yung intro natin sa next techniques natin is really opening this up. Opening the hand. So, from here, you got this. Nice this open. Trap. Move open. So, move open. Okay. Now, from here, you already have this open. Okay? Here, trap under. And you have this. Now, trap this hand. Step over. That's the time to lie down. And this foot, and go here. So, we have this variation, remember? So here, I trap, both feet, open. So when I open, it's like there's space here. So, marami sa inyo nahihirapan pa, you just flip your feet like a open. So, watch this here. So from here, I grab this collar here. Okay? Makita ninyo, it's not too deep. It's just shallow. Okay, not here, not too much, because I want to put my hand here on top. So for me to do that, I'm just gripping very light here, medyo may space pa, so I can push it up and grab here on this part. Now from here, the same position kanina, I'm just gonna slide. From here. So this is really pulling this part, while this is just grabbing here. Pull. Pushing the neck here. Pull ng motion nito. Pull rin ito. Okay? Again. Shortcut ko na lang. From here, sa likod, I trap, open. Now here, I grab here. On this part. Okay? Sabihin nyo, naman ang position mo, coach. Lagi ka na mahiga. Because I'm trying to reach here, down. I cannot reach na ganito ako sa taas. I need to go down from here to reach this. So, what prevents you from going up? I have here, this one. Okay, kasi kung nakaganito na ako, you really go up. Okay, so, my pressure is on its back. So here, I grab this part. Again, not too deep, so I can push the collar up and grab here. So, para sa baseball choke, pero hindi siya baseball choke. Because this part is really, kung mapapansin nyo, this is gonna push the head going here. And this is just gonna pull. Okay, so here, then that's the time I slide down. So I already got this, I slide down here. Now, you may ask from here, what if iikot siya doon, coach? Kabila, sa left. It's like a baseball bat. You're going to where you're supposed to be choked. Kasi nandun ang choke eh. Remember, ang position ng choke is here. So if iikot siya doon, he's gonna choke himself. Okay? So from there, ikot si Joseph doon, he's gonna choke himself. See? Ikot ka pa doon. Sige bro, ikot ka pa doon. He's gonna choke himself. From there. Because of this choke. Of this grip. Okay?
If, for example, nakuha na ninyo yung collar grip direct, here, pinaka-best niyo na pwede buhatan is mo heavy movement. And then, pwede mo stand up. Stand up and then i-shoot over ninyo yung head. Like, way, antod sa iyang ulo, kung makaya. So, siya ginanay. So, pag stand up ninyo, gets niya, ang movement, siya ginato. Then, once na, tuyok niyo dali.
Flashy Judy ay. Flashy Judy ay.
So, the moment na pag-roll ninyo, sa transitioning sa roll, try your best na makuha ninyo ang kamot. Try your best na makuha ninyo ang kamot kaya para dili siya maka-get away. And then, to finish the choke, pwede nyo i-lock inyong tail, mag-figure 4, or di kaya pwede nyo ano sa chest niya para ma-finish nyo lang yung choke. So again, pwede ko lang last. Okay lang. Pwede ninyo i-tight diri before ninyo so ako usually gina-tight sa nako before na mag-drone. Heavy here.